Danny Jones into the corner of the Sunshine Machine. Shoulder tackle to the midsection.
These two able to communicate with.
Look at this, just a look. Again, divide and conquer, taking Brendan off of the apron, rolls him through into the mule kick, into the German.
Telling you what, Sunshine Machine are in some kind of form right now, aren't they?
Well, you could say that, knocking Luke Jacobs off the corner of the ring. Big backsplash onto Ethan Allen. Roll through into TK Cooper.
Onto the knees. Try and break his fall in any way, shape or form. That was face first with authority. And look at this, Sunshine Machine working like a, no pun intended, well-oiled Sunshine Machine. And look at this for tandem offense.
Straight back on him now, throws him straight back into the corner. That's smart tag team wrestling.
Tackle, and Chuck Mambo tags himself in.
Look at that tag.
Swing and a miss. Wow, nicely done.
Tag team wrestling at its finest, Andy. Oh, it's
Shock two.
Back in, have another tag.
Diving shoulder tackle. Brendan White's nowhere to be seen right now. Oh, another back smash to the back of Danny Jones.
Where do you go?
Rolls him through. Oh, boots. Oh, assisted.
Beautiful.